Okay, guys, yesterday we actually analyzed some assets which actually did very well. And of course, later on in the day, I also did some analysis on some assets, about two major assets, which I posted in the Telegram channel. So if you're not in the Telegram channel, you actually missed out on these two assets. Okay, so we'll be checking out the trading results of the two assets which we analyzed within the Telegram channel. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay. If you have any question, you can drop your question down there in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Okay. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said, I actually dropped two major signals within the Telegram channel. Okay. The first one was on GainX 1200. This particular asset actually got to the resistance zone at this top. I mean, at this point, it gave us the double tops, and of course, it actually should sell at that particular point, and it sold for a while, but didn't go too far to claim all our TPs before going back to hit the stop loss. Okay, it happens like that. Okay, situation within the market, the market situation usually happens like that once in a while. Okay, however, the second asset, which happened to be Paynex 1200. Okay, if you are within the Telegram channel, you will notice that I also gave out this particular um information or signals within the Telegram channel, and of course we started at this point, got to our first TP right now. It also took some time before it got there. It played around and around it, because this is 15-minute time frame. But just because I knew that it was coming from the resistance zone and the market is on downtrend, then definitely I had more confidence within the market. So, and I also noticed that it has broken out within, I mean, from this trend line. Okay, let me zoom it out so that we get to see it very well. Okay, you can see how it got broken at this point. So I knew that it was going to sell more. Okay, even though it had a pullback later on after selling for a while, but later on came down, crashed down till it got to our first TP and second CP. Okay, so it didn't get to our what was it called? Our stop loss at all before it achieved all this. So that is a very good winning opportunity for each and every one of us. So congratulations to you all. Now let's check out how we were able to get all these analysis right. Okay, and of course we will be doing that using the same strategy which I have been using, and of course I will use that to analyze some assets for us today. Now let's go back to GainX 1200. Okay, this is GainX 1200, and of course this also had been on uptrend for a while. It had been on uptrend for a while. Got into this region, it has not been able to break out from there, and of course we expect it to get to this particular spot. So you can see the movement. It's having a pullback. Immediately it breaks out from here. Once it breaks out from here, then definitely we will be having a change of character at that point, and we expect it to sell more at that point. At least it should get to this region, even if it's going to pull back right from there. Okay, so this is very, very important. Now let's move on to GainX 15. I mean GainX 999 rather. GainX 999. GainX 999 had been on downtrend. This is the view of, I mean, point of interest rather. This is the point of interest for GainX 999, this region. And as you can see, it has been selling right from here to this very moment. Okay, so this is where the point of interest should come to an end. So whatever play is going to play, it's going to be having should be within this region, and you can see it has been giving us the movement. Okay, so we expect it to sell to this very region. So this is still very, I mean, it is still very much on downtrend, still selling at the moment. Okay, so you guys can still tap into it if you are not there yet, but just do that carefully because it's very close to the support region. Okay, but for those that are there, okay, just trail it down with your stop loss, and of course this should be your target, your major target. Okay, and if it gets there successfully, good of you, and if it does not, okay, your stop loss will protect the rest of your profits. Okay, so this is very, very important. That is how you should take care of your account. Okay, now let's move on to pay next 1200. Pay next 1200, after giving us a good profit yesterday, even when below our last TP, okay, it's having a pullback. If it should break out from here, okay, so I can disorganize this right now. If it should break out from there, then definitely it should buy till it gets to this particular spot, or even get to somewhere here. Okay, so this is very, very important. But if it does not, then it will continue with the sell trend. Okay, once it shows us a confirmation for the downtrend, okay, then definitely it should continue with the sell trend at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Now let's check out paynext 999. Okay, so this is paynext 999. Okay, and of course, let me quickly, this has been on uptrend, but let me see what is happening on daily time frame, because it is already giving us downtrend signal at this point. Okay, so my indicator, okay, my indicator is back. Okay, so this is on daily time frame. I'm just going to mark out the point of, okay, it has been marked already. Okay, this has been marked already. Okay, this is good. Okay, so I can go down to 15 minutes time frame. So let me zoom it out a bit. Okay, guys. Okay, good, good. Okay, so just the way we are seeing this, okay, this has actually gotten very close to the next resistance zone. Okay, so if it breaks out below here, it's going to sell more. Okay, if it breaks out below here, it's going to sell more. But if it does not and it breaks out above this region, sorry about that, about this, okay, then it's going to give us our more buying opportunity at that point. Okay, so well, we should take note of that. Okay, so if it's unable to break out below this, then it should be targeting this point. Okay, and if it breaks out above it, then it's going to be more buying opportunity at that level. Okay, so this is paynext, I mean, this is FX volume 80. Let's check out FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on uptrend, having a major pullback in between. Okay, so if you should notice, these have been following this trend support region. So this is going to sell till it gets to this particular spot. Okay, so if it breaks out below it, then we will have more selling opportunity till it gets to this horizontal line. But if it does not break out below this, then it's going to go back up and may form another high level that is higher than this. Okay, so this is very, very important, so we should watch out for that. So if it gets to this region and it does not break out from there, then it's most likely for it to go back up, okay, higher than this. Okay, and of course, but if it breaks out below this, then it should be coming down to this horizontal line. Okay, so this is very, very important, so watch out for this. Watch out for the decision that is going to take place from here. Okay, so this is very, very important, so that you will have a very good trading activities today. I will be stopping right here. Okay, there will be more information right there in the Telegram channel. So stay tuned within the Telegram channel. I will be there to drop more signals for you guys later in the day. But for now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.